Tom Ass from Michigan Barbecue. Hello, everyone. I'm gonna take this 9.5 pound pork butt and I'm gonna season it up with Root Boy Cook's dry rub. And I put a video up a couple weeks ago where I made this, put this rub together, and I'll show a iCard up in the top where you can watch that video. And on that video, there's links to Root Boy Cooks, and you can see his complete recipe. I'm going to use Stang's stir-fry oil as a binder. It's got a real heavy garlic flavor to it. It's going to work well with this rub, this pork butt. And this rub is sugar-free, so if you're doing keto or watching your carbs, or if you got the diabetes, this is a really good rub. Plus being flavorful. So we're going to coat this all around, top, bottom, sides. It's pretty heavy amount of rub on it, but it's not going to be overpowering by any means. It's going to work well. There, she looks good. We're going to take her outside, get the Weber all set up, get the smoke, get some clean smoke rolling. And here's the Weber. I got some starter coals, some Kingsford briquettes, and hickory wood. We're going to get these starter coals in here, get the fire cooking, get some clean smoke. And in my water pan, I got apple cider vinegar. Then I put a quart of just H2O water on top. And I got the pit temp up to 250 degrees. Another video I put up a while back is I modified this Weber to support this CyberQ, and that's what I'm using on here. I'll put that video on the end screen if you're interested in watching that. There's about 4.5 hours at 250 degrees, and it's got some really nice bark on it. The temperature was 160 degrees, pretty much hit the stall. So we're going to get it wrapped up, and don't make fun of me of the cheap beer I pour in here to add some liquid to the cook, get some steam, get this pork butt all broke down, make it pull real easy. I reset the temperature on the CyberQ for 202 degrees. That's when we'll take her out. Take her out and let her rest for an hour. This is what she looks like. Beautiful bark. And look at this bone pull out of here. Just clean as a whistle. That's some good looking pork right here. And then we'll get her pulled up. This is really looking good. Really great flavor.
I'm upstairs just smelling it. Where's it at?
It's in the oven.
What's it in the oven?
You want more? We'll get it out.
Hot.
Yeah. Want me to get it out?
No, I just wanted to taste. Because I was upstairs smelling it.
What do you think?
You don't usually fail at this.
It's good. It's juicy as hell, man.
What did you think of the seasoning?
I like it. Well, there it is, everyone. You see Miss Ivy, she parachuted out upstairs because it smelled so good. Just to have a sample. I'm glad I left her a little bit out. The root belly cooks dry rub on a pork butt. Give it a try. You won't be sorry.